Hello everyone. So this is just a quick short update. You must have seen me previously wearing a chest mount for all my GoPro videos. So recently one of my friends on the Facebook page in my garage recommended to use this mount for the GoPro. So what I did is I went ahead and ordered it on Amazon. It's a pretty, I would say, a very cheap quality, not the best one out there, but for 12 or 13 US dollars or about 16, 18 Canadian dollars, it's worth to give it a shot. So let's go ahead and I'll ride and see how this goes and post a short video of my ride as well. And let's roll. Wow. So the first thing is that I feel very much more comfortable. Previously mounting it on the chest, my biggest negative about that was I would feel very heavy on my chest, like as if I'm strapped with a belt or something. So the experience with this is definitely different. Also, I would like to see the view, and I think even you guys will probably have a better view. Thank you everyone for all your support. We are 350 plus subscribers now, and I wouldn't have been here without all your support and commenting down below what you like to see. This is what encourages me to make more and more content. So the beautiful, nice scenic route starts from here, and that is the reason I came down here with the new mount setup, so I could see it in the while editing how the view is, and you could see it now too, I would say. And let me know in the comments below what you think about it, and also if you know of any mount which is better than what I have. This one is a cheap mount. I just picked it up. I'm not really happy with the quality. I think it's there. I don't know how long it will last, so it's just there for some time. Alrighty, so let's ride here. This should be a fun route to ride around. The colors are changing, beautiful fall colors. What's next is just to enjoy the view, so I won't be saying anything, probably adding some music for you to enjoy the view and for me to enjoy the ride. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.